Evening, folks. We're live at 8:37, and we're running a 3-winner mini for Robert's Barada figure, for which there are 9 spots. Top 3 win spots in the main, looks like. I'm going to paste our 9-spot list over, 9 entries. Going to roll the bones. Got to get a 5 or better. We got an 8. We're golden. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Right down to business. Brian takes round 1. Nate 2. Trey 3. Brian again on top in round 4 and 5 and 6. He's on a roll. Nate breaks the streak there in our next to last round. Round 7 was number 7. Bringing us to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here it comes. And our winners are Brian, Trey, and Nate. 3 winners. Here's the verification. O-A-A-E-S-E. A lot of vowels. And that one, I am done at 8:38. As you can see right here, by the timestamp. One last time, there's the results. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.